Forget complex coding. With the browser-based script editor, you can create and manage reports and macros directly within your web interface, eliminating the need for complex coding environments. The script editor allows you to seamlessly open and edit existing reports. Need to customize a standard report? Simply create a copy and start tailoring it to your specific needs. In our case, you're going to choose a report. Since this is a standard report, you cannot edit it by default. Click Enable to start editing. Start with a copy and add further imports. Click on 3 vertical dots and click on Add Imported Files. You can now import a new file by clicking and selecting Import a New File and clicking on OK. Simply upload an existing file from your local system or create a new file. Click on My Import and a new tab opens. The editor in the web offers a lot of features that make it really convenient to write scripts. Hover over a function to get a tip describing what this function is about. This not only works for functions and objects which are part of the ARIS report library, but also for own defined functions. Let's create a function that takes 3 parameters and sums them up. And now you can use another feature called Quick Fix, which provides an AJAX stock formatted template for that function. Define the types of parameters and give that function a short description. If you now want to reuse this function in your report, you can select the entry in the list. If you start typing, you'll see a tip that informs you about the function. In the script editor, you can also right-click to see the context menu. For example, if you now click on My Function, you can find the usage of it. You can select if you want to search within the script or the category or on the current server. You can also click on Go to Reference to go to the definition of the function to further edit the script. If you want to format it, you can switch to the Edit tab. Here you can increase or decrease indent, toggle the code with line comments or block comments. You can also apply a unified format across the entire code. If you want to maintain a report in multiple languages, then you can use the string table. Let's add the string myString and give it a name in English, or switch the language and go to German. Now you can use this string in the code by simply referencing it using the getString function. So this is one way to get a new string to the string table and maintain it in multiple languages. To debug a report, you can use the toggle breaks. You can set the toggle breaks by clicking on the left-hand side of the numeration. Set a breakpoint after the function that you have previously defined and run the debugging by clicking on the run symbol. If you run debug for the first time, you have to configure debugging settings. So you have to choose the database and the output format. Now the code has been run up until line 41, and now you can do a bit of inspection. You can have a look at the variables defined. So as you can see here, your variable x is 15, and this seems to be right because these numbers summed up in my function. Something else you can do is add watches. So you can add a variable that you want to watch. If you want to watch x, you can simply enter x, confirm with enter, and then the changes will be watched on the left-hand side. And that's it. I hope you like the new browser-based script editor and will enjoy writing your scripts.